What's up, traders? Going 2 for 2 today on a pretty grindy Tuesday. Let's get to it. See if we can't get INO to get through 13 here. I'd be interested. See if we can't get a little pop through. Pulled this one up right off the scanner. Liking the key level here at 13. There we go, we're through. See if we can't get that little squeeze. Just trying, doesn't feel like it wants it. I'm getting started here at 13. Feels like it's going to break back down through. Put the order in for the 25 cents at 12.75. It's definitely jiggling here. Looks like I might want to try to go higher. There it goes. Could have gave it a sec, but it really felt like it wanted to go back down through 13 there. I have to remember that you guys can only see where my cursor is, so I have to remember when I'm in a trade to keep it on that chart. Sometimes I'll start like loading up other charts while I'm in a trade. All right, back down through 13. Nice. So we can get down through 90. It's been a pretty boring morning. It's been very grindy. This is the first one that felt like it actually moved fast. See if we can get that pullback. A lot of higher price stocks moving today as well. There we go, through 90, 85. So we can work down there towards 80. Looks like David's in this with us. I think Brian's just busy with everything else. Wouldn't be surprised if this wants to try 13 again. Maybe try to use that as resistance. If we sit under 13 for another couple minutes though, and then it tries to get back through high of day, we'll probably just take the loss. It's already starting to consolidate a little bit here. Really just looking for that pullback before it decides if it wants to continue down or back up towards high of day. Trying to come down and test that 80 area again. There we go. Let's see if we can get through. If we get through 80, I got a feeling we'll get the fill. It's kind of been the support area here. So if we can get through that, I got a feeling we'll get a nice little dump, at least down through 75. Just being patient with it. 82 again. 81. 77, there we go, we're through. 76. 75, and there we go. So cool, got the fill right at 75. Nice little trade here on INO. Can't complain about that. All right, so SPCE, it's low on shares, but I really like this chart. I'm just gonna go half size with it just to be safe. Oh, that's 30. 20. There we go. We're going to start it here. Kind of chased it there. It's kind of messing with the shares. I felt the jiggle, but kind of missed it up top there. Ended up chasing it a little bit. We'll still go for the 25 cents, even though it's only half size. Probably should have had a little bit of a better entry there, but which would have put us around at least like 22.10, 22.15 area. But oh, here we go. We're already coming down. 20. 19. It's a pretty quick move down. We'll probably look to take it if it doesn't quite get down to 22. See if we can get down there through 10. 15. I think it's going to be hard for this to get all the way down there to 05. Just trying. 12. Oh, I think I saw 06 there. Ugh, not quite. It's a pretty strong move back down. Just watching it. Yeah, we're going to take it there. We're seeing some signs of it pulling back. It was trying to hold 14. Oh, and it looks like we might have got our fill there. That's a bummer. That's okay. I mean, we only took half size anyway, just because of the shares available. Pretty good trade there on SPCE. Nice little quick scalp. Would have been nice to be full size, but wasn't about to chance it. All right, traders, that was my 2 trades. Start here on INO. This one was pretty self-explanatory. Previous resistance on this move up. This was the first thing I felt like it actually moved fast throughout the day. It tried to pull back here, was already a little bit extended. Then we got that nice fast move up, right up to the whole dollar. Busted through, tried to go a little bit higher after we got in, ultimately ended up failing, came down. It tried 13 again, actually tried to consolidate way up here without any kind of a real pullback. I felt pretty confident in this trade as long as it didn't get through 13. The only thing that worried me, because we were going to stop out a high of day if it got here, was that it might try to do just that, like one of those common fake out breakouts that you see, or fake out over the highs and then dump it. But it couldn't get through 13, so it ended up working out, and we ended up getting our fill down there at 1275. So nice little trade there. And then up on SPCE, this thing kind of did the same thing. It had a decent move here, consolidated sideways, and then here, and then we had this nice fast move here. We kind of chased it back down because we were messing with our share size. We didn't want to get too big because when we pulled this up, you can see it's actually still only 25,000 shares available, which is actually less than when we got in. So we didn't want a chance running out of shares if it continued, and we wouldn't have been able to, scale into our position like we normally do. So we actually ended up taking half size just to protect ourselves a little bit, but it worked out pretty much right away. And this candle did hit 22.05. That's where our order was sitting. I don't know if we would have got filled, but I'm not going to complain about the trade. We took the first sign of a pullback there on the flush, so I'm not going to complain about that trade at all. So going 2 for 2, smaller on SPCE. Really wasn't much to trade. I mean, there was a lot of stocks that were really extended today. Just nothing was really fast. And then you got this thing PPSI just going absolutely nuts. The float rotation is a 3 mil float. It's at 180 million on the day. I don't even, what's the number on that? 30. Or what would that be? 60 times float rotation. That's insane. Stay away. That's all I got to say. But yeah, that's all I got. Like and subscribe. Appreciate the support. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.